Hello friends, how can you create the easy Liquify effect in Photoshop? First, make sure you have a white background. Go to File, Place Embedded. Insert your image and press Enter. Now go to Select Subject. After the subject is selected, press Ctrl+J to create a copy. Create one more copy of that layer. Turn off the original background layer. Also, turn off the first copied layer. Now select the top copy layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. After that, go to Filter, Liquify. Set the brush size around 367. Now gently drag the corner areas. Select the eye area and drag it slightly to the right. Or adjust any area you want. Press OK. Now turn on the subject layer. You will see the Liquify effect applied successfully. You can keep only the subject visible, turn on the background, or add text for a creative look. And that's it.